Thank you for joining us today. I'm Joshua Walters with MonkeyWrench Automotive, and today we're going to be talking about battery maintenance. Today I'm going to show you a quick way for you to maintain your battery at the house. One of the number one killers of a battery is corrosion around the battery terminals. So we're going to show you how to take care of that at the house by buying some simple products from a parts store or a box store to help clean it and to maintain. Alright, so this is a maintenance style battery, so you can actually pop these caps off with a screwdriver like I've done here. And we can take a look inside of here and we can check the level of the water and acid on the inside of it, which this one here looks okay. But if yours is a little low, you could use distilled water that you can purchase and just fill it up to the line on the inside of the battery with the distilled water. The second thing we're going to do is we're going to take a brush that you can buy. They do have battery terminal cleaners that you can also use, and you're just going to go around the battery and you're going to clean the corrosion off of the battery. Once you do that, you can take a rag and wipe it off. And then you can take a cleaner and spray a cleaner on there as well. Sometimes you'll have terminals attached that can get little pieces inside of it, so you could again just take your brush and scrub it down. And you can buy these brushes at any little parts store that may be around you. It needs to be something that has a metal style brush just to help it clean it up a little bit. Using a toothbrush like you would to clean the inside of your car or something at the house isn't going to work on something like this. Once you get it done, again, you can wipe it down, get that corrosion off of there. And once you have it nice and clean, you're going to go back with the protectant. Then you can take your protectant and just spray all the way around the terminals so you have a nice little thick coating. So these are pretty simple steps to taking care of your battery, but if you don't feel comfortable with this, then come see us at MonkeyWrench Automotive. I'm Joshua Walters, and again, thanks for watching.